The next question can be, describe the health or education facilities in your area. Let me put the question on the board first and then we'll have a discussion. Describe the health and education facilities in your area. Okay, so what can we discuss here? What can we talk about? The health and education facilities. So health, we can talk about the hospitals, the primary health care centers available in our area. Okay, the immediate access for any emergency when it comes to health purposes. And when it comes to education, can I speak about established institutions? Can I speak about the basic government schools in and around my area so that all the children of my particular area are able to get their basic education? I can speak about leading colleges which are in my area, right? So let's go on to the answer. There are two big government hospitals in my area. Apart from them, there are many private super specialty hospitals in my area. So here I have answered the first part of the question. The first part of the question is about the health facilities in my area. So I have mentioned, okay, so I make sure I cover both the category of people. So for the underprivileged, I have mentioned that we have two big government hospitals. And I've also mentioned that we do have private hospitals also, which are generally super specialty or multi-specialty hospitals. So I am giving a clear picture of the hospitals that are available in my area, accessible for both those who are underprivileged as well as for the others. So I'm yet to answer the other part of my question. This speaks about the education facilities. Let's move on to that now. There are both public and private schools available offering education in Tamil and English. So again, the government schools are there along with the private schools. And I've also mentioned that they teach the mode of communication or the mode of teaching method or the language used for teaching is both Tamil and English. So we have government schools, we have private schools, we have schools that teach with Tamil as a mode of teaching or mode of communication, and schools that use English for the mode as the mode of communication. Right, so I have clearly explained this question with respect to the health facilities and the education facilities that are available in my area.